Here's how to shut down your Mac using your keyboard, but before you do that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So on the older Macs and on the newer Macs, you're going to notice a design change. Instead of the power button, you're going to have a fingerprint sensor. Now, these do the same thing, but in order to power it off, you have to hold the fingerprint sensor. But this is how to shut it down on your computer. So first, we're going to go to settings because we're going to create a keyboard shortcut. Then from here, go to keyboard and then go to shortcuts. Then go to app shortcuts and then click on the plus over here because we're going to create a new one. Now we want this to be the exact same as the shutdown menu over here. So as you can see, shut down and then 3 dots. This is called an ellipsis. So you want to make sure it's the exact same. So type in shut, then type in down, and then you don't want to type in 3 dots because that is not the exact same as the ellipsis. To get to the ellipsis, you want to hit Option and then the semicolon. And as you can see, it creates the ellipsis. Then you want to double check to make sure it's the exact same. That's good. And then you want to type in your keyboard shortcut. Now a lot of keyboard shortcuts are already taken. Now a good option to use is Control Option S. You type that in, and as you can see, it has the control, it has the option, it has the S. That is my new keyboard shortcut for this. Then, when you're done with that, make sure it's all set, make sure it's the exact same, your keyboard shortcut, then press on Add, and then you have a keyboard shortcut for shutting off your computer. So if you open up the Apple again, you're going to see it has the option over here, Command Option S, for shutting down. So what you can do is press on your shortcut and then it will bring it up. Then you enter your name and password or whatever it asks you for, and then you'll be able to shut down your computer using your keyboard. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like and comment with any questions you have. I'll see you in the next video.